Hello everyone, I am Bhakti Kothari and today I'm here with another officer, another story. On a quiet morning in August 2025, a moment of quiet history unfolded in India's security establishment. When Sonali Mishra walked into the headquarters of the Railway Protection Force to assume charge as its Director General, she was not merely taking over another senior police assignment. She was stepping into a role no woman had held before in the 143-year history of the force. The RPF protects one of the largest rail networks in the world, a system that carries more than 2 crore passengers every day across thousands of trains and stations. The responsibility is enormous, the challenge is complex. Yet, those who know Mishra say she thrives in precisely such environments, places where leadership is tested daily and decisions carry real consequences. Her appointment to the top post is the culmination of more than 3 decades in uniform, a journey defined not by sudden breakthroughs but by steady courage, professional excellence, and a deep commitment to public service. A young officer with a quiet resolve. Born on 9th October 1966, Sonali Mishra grew up in an environment that valued discipline and education. Like many young Indians of her generation who were drawn to public service, she saw the civil services as a platform to make a tangible difference. When she joined the Indian Police Service in 1993, allotted to the Madhya Pradesh cadre, policing in India was still overwhelmingly male dominated. Women officers were relatively few and often had to prove themselves repeatedly in the field. Mishra, however, quickly built a reputation for professionalism and composure under pressure. In her early years in district policing, colleagues recall an officer who listened more than she spoke, but whose decisions were always firm and well thought out. A former colleague from those days remembers a tense law and order situation in a district where Mishra was posted early in her career. As crowds gathered and tempers flared, the young officer calmly stepped forward, spoke to community leaders, and diffused the situation before it spiraled into violence. That day, the colleague later recalled, we realized she had a rare ability, the capacity to combine firmness with empathy. It would become a defining trait of her leadership style. Learning the craft of policing. Over the years, Mishra served in a variety of postings across Madhya Pradesh, gaining experience in district policing, investigations, and administration. Each assignment added another layer to her understanding of law enforcement. Her career also took her beyond state policing. She served in the Central Bureau of Investigation, where she was involved in complex investigations requiring meticulous attention to detail and patience. Those who worked with her during this period remember an officer who believed that good policing was as much about patience and evidence as it was about action. She was known to spend long hours reviewing case files, often challenging investigators to think deeper and dig further. Truth hides in the details, she would tell younger officers. It was advice many of them would carry with them throughout their careers. A commander on the border. Perhaps the most remarkable chapter of Mishra's career unfolded when she moved to the Border Security Force. In 2021, she became the first woman officer to command a BSF formation along the India-Pakistan border in Punjab, one of the most sensitive and demanding frontiers in the country. Border duty is unforgiving. The nights are long, the winters harsh, and the constant threat of infiltration and smuggling keeps personnel on perpetual alert. Officers who served under her recall how Mishra made it a point to visit forward posts regularly, often spending hours interacting with Jawans stationed along the border fence. One night during a patrol inspection, a young officer hesitantly suggested that she need not walk the entire stretch of the border in darkness. Mishra reportedly smiled and replied, if our Jawans guard this land throughout the night, the commander should know what their night feels like. The patrol continued, and the story quietly traveled through the ranks, strengthening her reputation as a leader who believed in leading from the front. An international perspective. Mishra's career has also had an international dimension. She served with the United Nations peacekeeping mission in Kosovo, where officers from different countries worked together in a fragile post-conflict environment. The experience broadened her understanding of global policing standards and conflict resolution. Working in an international mission also reinforced a belief she often shared with colleagues that policing, at its core, is about building trust within communities. The uniform gives us authority, she once remarked during a training interaction. But peace comes only when people trust the person wearing it, shaping the next generation of officers. Back in Madhya Pradesh, Mishra later took on key roles in policing and administration and training. As Additional Director General of Police for Selection and Recruitment, she played a crucial role in shaping recruitment processes and strengthening training frameworks. She also served as director of the Madhya Pradesh Police Academy and held responsibilities at the Police Training and Research Institute in Bhopal. Young trainees often recall her lectures not as formal speeches but as the conversations about the realities of policing. During one such session, a probationer once asked how an officer should deal with pressure and criticism. Mishra paused for a moment before answering. In this profession, there will always be noise around you. Your job is to keep your compass steady. For many young officers in that hall, it was a lesson in both leadership and personal integrity. The historic call. When the Government of India selected Sonali Mishra as Director General of the Railway Protection Force, the decision resonated far beyond the organization itself. For the first time in its long history, the RPF, a force responsible for safeguarding India's sprawling railway network, would be led by a woman. But those who know Mishra say she never saw the appointment through the lens of symbolism. For her, it was simply another responsibility, albeit one on an enormous scale. India's railway network is often described as the country's lifeline. Every day, millions of passengers travel through crowded stations, long-distance trains, and suburban networks. Ensuring their safety requires not just manpower, but coordination, technology, and constant vigilance. A vision for modern railway security. Since taking charge, Mishra has emphasized modernizing the RPF to meet evolving challenges. Her focus has been on strengthening surveillance systems, improving the use of technology, and enhancing training for personnel deployed across the country. She has also emphasized that RPF's role in tackling the crimes that often unfold along railway routes, from human trafficking and narcotics, smuggling to organized theft on trains. During inspections of major stations, Mishra is known to move quietly through platforms and control rooms, asking officers detailed questions about their deployment patterns and response times. One officer recalls how she once spent nearly half an hour discussing the placement of a single CCTV camera at a busy station. Security, she told the team that day, is built through thousands of small decisions. The person behind the uniform. Despite her distinguished career, Sonali Mishra remains a remarkably private individual. Friends describe her as thoughtful and introspective, someone who prefers book and quiet reflection over public attention. She is known to be deeply committed to mentoring young officers, particularly women entering the police services. At a time when increasing numbers of women are joining India's uniformed forces, Mishra's journey has become an inspiration. Yet she rarely frames her achievements in terms of breaking barriers. Instead, she often emphasizes something simpler. Competence, she once told a group of young officers, is the most powerful argument you can make, a legacy in motion. As she leads the Railway Protection Force, Sonali Mishra stands at the culmination of her career, shaped by perseverance, professionalism, and quiet courage. Her journey from a young IPS officer in Madhya Pradesh to the commander of border formations and now the guardian of India's railway security reflects the evolution of Indian policing itself. The crowded railway platforms of India may never know the name of the officer responsible for their safety. But within the world of public service, Sonali Mishra's story is already becoming part of a larger narrative. A story about leadership, resilience, and the steady expansion of possibilities. And somewhere, perhaps in a police academy classroom or a district headquarters far away, a young officer reading about her journey might begin to imagine a similar path. Because sometimes, the most powerful revolutions in public service do not arrive with loud announcements. They arrive quietly, with an officer walking into a new office, ready for the next responsibility. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Indian Masterminds. This is Bhakti Kothari. Thank you for watching.